We're taking a look at this Transcend Xplor 231RK. I'll put all the details right here and we'll check out everything on the inside. So we have the 231RK, that stands for rear kitchen model. You can see how it's kind of set up here. We have your fridge over here, so it's going to run on 12 volts. You're going to have your pantry space right next to this. So really deep pantry. 3-burner cooktop and oven, huge pots and pans drawer down below. You're also going to have a microwave up top with a little bit of extra storage there. Drawer space, plenty of drawer space. We'll take a look in here. Nice deep drawer space there. Open counter space here on either side of your sink, so it's placed right here in the middle. Huge stainless steel sink. You have this little movable nozzle here, and then you have a nice little window out here, which I like. Helps open up the space a little more, gives you a nice view while you're doing dishes or cooking. Outlets on both sides if you wanted to place an appliance up here. Bit of storage underneath. Cleaning supply storage can go right there, and then you have more storage here. Built-in spice rack as well, really convenient. And then you have quite a bit of overhead cabinet storage. So you have this open shelf here, and then all of this space here. And then as we turn this way, right when you walk in, you have this extra little table area. So open counter space here, more outlets there. Storage down below. You can probably use that as like a shoe rack or something like that. And then we have theater reclining seats here. So you've got cup holders, nice big window back here. It's going to be across from your entertainment and dining section. So you have a booth dinette. You can adjust these cushions to whichever pattern you prefer, if you want solid or this little plaid pattern. Storage underneath. This is going to give you an additional bed as well. Another big window. TV right up top. And you're going to have a bit of storage on both sides, as well as your radio control built right into there. And then we have this walk-through bathroom here, so really spacious. You got a porcelain foot flush toilet there. Open storage space here with a little bit of a counter extension for your sink. And then up top, you've got this little corner medicine shelf. And then you have your nice big shower here. So super spacious. You're gonna have a squeegee door on that. Huge linen storage here. It's gonna extend all the way towards the back of your shower area. And then we have your master bedroom, which has its own entrance, so you can come right in and out of here. Queen size bed with storage below. You're going to have a bit of overhead shelf space here. Closet storage on both sides. You're going to have these nice big shelves there. Place for your CPAP down below as well. So on this side here, right by your door, you're going to have a bit of hanging closet storage. You've got this space all here. Nice big drawer space down below. Huge pull-out dresser drawers. And then over here on this side, you can mount your TV if you wanted to add a TV to your bedroom. Now we'll take a look at everything and step outside.